Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1972 Mg Midget. It's probably one of the best midgets in the country. It's finished in this spectacular sort of dove gray, battleship gray paint scheme with black interior, fitted 5-speed transmission, chrome wire wheels. This has just received a ground-up restoration from the Bear tub. So, you know, I mean, it's at a point where, you know, these cars are finally getting a bit of love here. And this car is 51 years old, and it is basically brand new. It's just a total over-the-top labor of love, ground-up restoration, where everything's been done mechanically, cosmetically. So if you're looking for just a spectacular Mg Midget in a pretty unique color, this is it. You cannot build this car for probably less than 40-50 grand right now. So yeah, it's in this lovely shade of gray. And do a slow walk around here. All the chrome work's new, tires, chrome wire wheels, rubber, chrome work, bright work, show quality paint, stone guards fitted, new grille, bumpers, lights, lenses. I mean, you could just tell the quality of this car. It's pretty outstanding all the way through. Correct OEM stainless door mirrors fitted. Black top boot, top. We're going to have a look in the trunk there. There's a lovely modern sound system fitted. Free flow exhaust system. 5-speed gearbox, professionally rebuilt engine at huge cost. I think it was like $8,000 just for the engine rebuild. Chrome luggage rack fitted. But just a spectacular nut and bolt ground-up restoration on this 72 Midget. Very, very good value. Just try and even think about reproducing a car like this for, you know, for double the price what we're asking, and you'll quickly arrive to the point that it's super good value for what it is. So, the sun's coming out. The car's lightening up a bit. So yeah, it's even got a little hint of blue in it. So it's a super, super attractive gray that they chose here. But yeah, so lovely all 100% renewed interior. Slightly custom seats there with the seat pattern, but you know, I really like this car. I just took it for a drive, and it's just wonderful. Just really lovely, quick, responsive, tall geared with that 5-speed transmission. It's something else to jump in and experience. Just a lovely car that you can go shopping in, and then you can jump on the freeway and probably do 60, 70, 80 miles an hour with ease. Modalita, yeah, so as we're looking at this upholstery here, Modalita steering wheel, custom sewn dashboard, which is real nice, new visors, like I said, new seats, seat kits, carpet kit, top boot, door panels, arm bars, door seals, stainless threshold plates. Pretty remarkable, you know, turnkey, totally done nut and bolt MG Midget here. Yeah, beautiful little thing. Yeah, so let's take a look under the hood. You will be equally impressed in the engine compartment, because like I said, everything came apart and everything came out of the car and rebuilt and restored. So under here we have basically a show quality engine compartment with a completely rebuilt engine, 1275 So this is a good year, good horsepower car. All new brake lines, all new fittings, new wiring, new oil cooler lines, rebuilt suspension, all new brakes, just no stone left unturned. Kind of the envy of everyone at the next car show this one shows up at. So, but yeah, take a look at all the photos of this car because it really is impressive. You know, we're just starting to buy and sell a few of these little exciting little Mg Midgets. People love the size of these. They can kind of tuck them under their arm, fit them in the garage. They don't take up much space, but beautiful 1972 Mg Midget convertible, finished in this handsome battleship gray, black trim, 5-speed, Modellita wheel, chrome wire wheels, rebuilt from stem to stern, modern radio, lots of other upgrades that are sort of too numerous to mention here, but really good value for the money. 1972 Mg Midget convertible, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.